Good afternoon, if this is your afternoon by your location. Good evening or good night, if this is your night or evening, depending on your location. No to all of you. That's how we say welcome in Igbo language. We are back to class. This is the Igbo tutor live. If you are interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, do you have any connection to Igbo? You are born by Igbo parents, but you have no chance of learning the language. You have Igbo fiancé, you're married to Igbo, you have Igbo business partners, and you have reasons to learn Igbo language. This is the opportunity for you to do that. You've been watching Igbo lessons on YouTube, but you have no chance to test yourself and measure your progress. This is where to be at this hour. So wherever you are, seeing me at this moment, you do well to join this live Igbo language class. Here, we give you the chance to, test yourself, measure your level of progress, challenge your understanding of the Igbo words, Igbo sound, Igbo sentences and phrases. Express yourself freely in a community of people who love you. So wherever you are, begin to join this class now. We want to start in earnest. I want to see how much we can cover within the 1 hour we have. So the earlier you join, the better for all of us. Before now, we'll be dealing with daily Igbo phrases and sentences, daily use Igbo phrases and sentences. That's what we've been dealing with in this series, and they have been going very, very well. Last week, we covered a lot of sentences and phrases we use on daily basis, and it was a very nice class. So we hope today will not be different. So now begin to join me. I am the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafo. Ndewo. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ na-anụ olu ma na-ahụ m ugbu a, biko na-esonye anyị na ihe nkụzi nke taa. Anyị na-ezukọ ebe a na Satọde niile n'elekere 2 nke ehihie ịbịa mụọ asụsụ Igbo n'ihu na ihu n'oge ya kpọmkwem. Ya mere ọ bụrụ na ị nwere mmasị ịsụ asụsụ Igbo, ịmụ asụsụ Igbo, amụrụ gị na obodo bekee mana ịbụ onye Igbo, nne na nna gị bụ ndị Igbo, mana ị nweghị ohere ịsụ Igbo, ị nweghị onye na-asụrụ gị Igbo, ebe a bụ ebe anyị kwesịrị ịnọ n'oge a. Biko sonyere anyị n'ihe ọmụmụ a na Satọde niile elekere 2 nke ehihie maọbụ 1300 GMT. Okay, Hannah, welcome to class. Yeah, and then Ugumiri Mara, you are welcome to class. No, please, when you join the class, excuse me, indicate by dropping your greeting. That's how to mark your register. You drop your greeting just like Anna did and Ugumiri, so we can know you are in the class. Then extend our thanks and greetings to you. So as you join the class, do same, drop your greetings. Let's recognize your presence in the class and extend our greetings to you back. Please remember our rules as you join the class. Rule number 1, hit the like button to show you appreciate what we do. Rule number 2 is to hit the share button and share this with your own contacts and friends so they can also join and benefit as you are doing. Rule number 3, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do so now. Rule number 4, have your writing material, book, and paper to write, because you are bound to learn new things as you come to class each day. Having said that, please let's do that as we proceed on this class now. I hope others will join as early as possible so that we can cover as much as we can within the 1 hour mark that we have. So I have with me here, Madabo, and our class Ubua, Hannah, na Nwanna Ugomiri. They won. Anyị ga-ebido ma o weta aka n'elekere na nkeji ise kpọmkwem anyị ebido. What I said is that when it is 5 minutes gone, 5 minutes gone on the clock, we will start. And that is exactly where we are now. 5 minutes gone for intro. So let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Hope others join early enough so that they don't miss out. Last week, we stopped at a particular sentence. Remember, we're doing daily use Igbo sentences and phrases. We stopped at a particular sentence last week. Who can remind us in the chat? The last sentence we considered last Saturday. Remember, we meet every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 13:00 GMT. Match that with the time in your own location and be sure you are here on time, just like Hannah and Ugomiri did. That's fine. So who can remind us of our last sentence last Saturday? Let's begin from there. What was the last sentence we considered? Gịnị bụ ahịrịokwu ikpeazụ anyị lere anya na Saturday gara aga? Ngwa, dere m ya na ebe a na-ede ihe na ndịda ebe a, dee ya biko. Write the last sentence we considered last Saturday in the chat now as we begin to move from there. Yes, how are you? How are your colleagues? Okay. Okay. Maka ndị ụlọ ọrụ gị or ndị ọrụ gị. I think we went on to answer that question, and then ka anyị mechie ya, and I got it perfectly well. We moved on to answer that question, and the last sentence we made here was ka anyị mechie. Anna, thumbs up to you. You are up to date. That shows you you are writing last Saturday. Anna, am I right? Did you write? Because that shows you are up to date. Did you write? Were you writing, Anna? I believe you wrote. Otherwise, you wouldn't get it perfectly well like this. Did you write, Anna, last Saturday? I believe so. While waiting for your response, I want to say that you are Annie, okay? Annie is not correct. Can you look at that word very well? Yes, I did. That's great. That's why part of the rules in the class is that you should have your writing material, because you are bound to learn from more people. You have people here who are in the beginners level, intermediate level, people who are also in advanced level are in the class. So there's no way you come to class without learning something new. So it will pay you better to always come with the writing material, so that as we go on, you can update your records. Okay, I have wrong keyboard. Okay, Anna says she has wrong keyboard. That's why you couldn't write Anyi very well. Can Ugomiri help Anna to write Kanyi Mechie in a perfect way? Ugomiri. As you join the class, please remember our rules. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and share this out to more people. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Keep your writing materials with you so that you can always, update your records as we move on. All right, let's go. The first sentence for today, without wasting time, is Apagiamaka. Yeah, Gomini, that's fine. Can you make sure that's very good? Apagiamaka. As you came to work, you step into the place of work, or you want to leave, okay? Somebody compliments you. Amaka. Can we write that in the chat? Akwage amaka. Let's see. Can we write that? And our rule is that we'll write the sentence first, then we'll determine the meaning of the sentence. Okay? So the first sentence today is akwage amaka. Somebody is complimenting somebody. Maybe at your place of work, or your husband when you want to leave home, or your wife giving you a word of compliment, and it says Akwage amaka. What does that? How do we write that in Igbo language? Akwage amaka. Yeah, who is helping us write that first? Let's go. Yeah, I want to believe I'm audible enough. I want to believe I'm audible enough, or I should raise my volume. Am I audible enough? Please confirm that. Confirm I'm audible enough. I don't want to shout, but be sure you are hearing me very well. Am I audible enough? Please confirm that. Okay, I got one response from Ugombiri. Akwage amaka. Yes, any other? Anna, can I have your sentence? The sentence is Akwage amaka. Akwage amaka. Yes. Can I have other sentences coming in? Who else is writing for us? Okay. Okay, pray for me, bro. Arwin. Okay, Ghana Arwin asked us to pray for him. Okay. And Ghana, I receive our prayers in Jesus' name. I don't know what you want us to pray about, but God knows that exactly. So I share my prayers with you, ask that God be with you, and God take care of your need in the mighty name of Jesus. God be with you. Right? So somebody has written the sentence, but only one person. I'm expecting Anna and the rest people in the class to write the sentence, Akwage amaka. Meanwhile, I asked someone to tell me if my voice is very audible enough so that I know whether I can raise my volume or I should maintain it this way. I don't want to shout at all. So let me be sure that my voice is audible enough and is perfect. Yes, I need a response to that. Yeah, Ugomiri, am I audible enough? Anna, are you still in the class? You have not written Akwage amaka. You've not written that. Is it that you don't know how to write it? If you don't know, please write Amaim. I don't know. That is Amaim. So we know we are not waiting for you. We can move on without waiting for that. Okay? So while I wait for response to those things I said, we move. Yes, you are. Okay, Anna. Okay, which means Anna is hearing me very well. So why have you not written the sentence? If you don't know, please say, I don't know. Or Amaim in Igbo is Amaim, I don't know. So we don't need to wait for you. We can go ahead and mark the script and move on. Okay? So that's fine. At least you have confirmed I'm audible enough. Kaigani, that means let's go on. Kani ganiru or kani ganihu. Let's move on. Okay? So let's look at what Ugomiri wrote as Akwage amaka. Yeah, Ugomiri wrote it perfectly well. That is the right sentence. Akwage amaka. That is the right Igbo sentence. Akwage amaka. Nothing to add, nothing to remove. That is a perfect sentence. So let's go to the next stage. What does this sentence mean? Akwage amaka. What does it mean? Akwage amaka. Who can guess? Who can guess the meaning of this sentence? Akwage amaka. Yes, I need a guess. I need an idea. Gomiri, what does it mean? Akwage amaka. Give us an idea. Yes, Akwage amaka. What does it mean? Mary is not in the class today. Where is she? The clothes are beautiful. Okay. Okay. Very, of course, it's actually very, very beautiful because amaka is an extra level of ma. So if I say Akwage marama, that is your clothes is beautiful. But if I put amaka, it's a higher level of beauty. So we put very, very beautiful. If it's just Akwage marama, it is your clothes is beautiful. But if I say Akwage amaka, that is extra level of beauty, very beautiful. Okay? Is that clear for everybody? Gomiri, do you get that right? Anna, did you get that? And Ghana, are you in the class also? Are you going on with us? Okay, we've done that. I believe Ugomiri understand my explanation on this marama and amaka, the difference between the two. I hope it's clear enough. Okay, what if I want to say your body is very beautiful? Okay, like a husband will say to the wife, Ahogi amaka. But before we go to that, let's see the response of the person that is being complimented. How is the person going to respond? He's going to say, Imeela, Chukwu gozie gị. Let's do that. Imeela, Chukwu gozie gị, or Chineke gozie gị. Please, can we write that? Email Chineke gozie gi. Let's write that. Mary, Hannah, I think you can write that. It's very simple. Email Chineke gozie gi. Let's go. Write it for me now. Email Chineke gozie gi. Yeah? Waiting for that to be written. Email Chineke gozie gi. Mary, I was looking for you. I said, what happened? You want to be absent today in class? Don't you will get flogged if you are absent for class. That is, you want to play truancy, Mary. I know you are not like that. So I was looking for you. I said, where are you? So no, Wanda Mary. Ezigbo nwunye anyị. Ọ dị mma ka ị gaa n'ihu. Ahụ gị amaka. Okay, I said that earlier. That's good. But I was saying, okay, with all these compliments, somebody needs to appreciate that. And I said the person should say, email Chideke Goziegi. Okay, great, great. Been so busy. Okay, Mary is moving home. I've been so busy. Sorry, I understand. Everybody is trying to make end meet these days. We're too busy. Okay, just try. Okay, Ugomiri, that's a good one. Email Chineke Goziegi. That's perfect sentence. Ugomiri, you are doing very well. You are doing very well. Anna, are you updating your record? Are you following, Anna? The next sentence is what Ugomiri has written. Ahongi amaka. But Ugomiri, you didn't respond to my explanation as to the difference between Ahongi maramma and Ahongi amaka. Akwagi maramma and Akwagi amaka. Both of them are not the same exactly. So, did you get my explanation as to the meaning of Ahongi maramma and Ahongi amaka? The difference between the two. Did you get it? If I say Ahongi amaka, because your sentence is correct, Ahongi amaka is correct, it's written perfectly well. But what is the difference between Ahongi and Ahongi maramma? I just explained that earlier. If I say Ahongi maramma, I only say your body is beautiful. But if I say Ahongi amaka, I'm going to a higher level of beauty. I say your body is very beautiful. Omaka is very beautiful. It's very good. We also use it for good. It's very good. Omaka is very good. Okay? But if you just ordinary good, is odema is good. But Omaka is very good. Are we following? Gomiri, did you think you understand what I explained? I need a response. Everybody in the house, did you get what I explained? Between is good and it's very good. The difference is fine and it's very fine. The difference between the two in Igbo language. Did we all get my explanation? Or I should repeat it. Did we get it? Anna, did you get it? Please, Anna, I need your response. Whether you say it in English or Igbo, I don't care, but just give me a response. You are the first to come to class today. I want to be sure you're following. Did you get what I explained? Anna, Gomiri, and Mary, did you get that? Oh, yeah, that's great. I'm interested in hearing from Anna. Okay? Gomiri, I believe you understood what I said very well. Mary, you're following? Email, Lachineke Goziegi. Okay, that's fine. That's thanks, God bless you. That's what that word means. That sentence means. Meanwhile, Ahongi amaka is your body. Ahon is body. So Ahongi amaka is your body is very fine, very beautiful. Okay? For those who are writing, Hannah and Co. Right? Then we now responded to the complimentary statement made. Nanzayachi. To answer means Zayachi, answer back. Zayachi, answer back. Or respond. Okay? And then in response, we said, yeah. Okay. In response, we said email, which means thanks. Chineke, goziegi. God bless you. I believe that is very simple. Odema. Okay. Now, let's assume you return back from work, especially those of us who are men. We want to show we are men. You come back from work, you ask, what do we say to our husband when he comes back to work from work? or from any assignment, returning home. How do we say? What do we say? We say no dim, no dim. The reverse is also no wunyem, no dim. My husband, welcome my husband. No wunyem, welcome my wife. Okay? So can we write that? Of course, it's very simple to write, but it's not as simple as you think. Some people will just write no as no. They will write no. And then sometimes we ask you to write. Let's be sure you know what to write and what it means. Can you write no dim or no wunyem? If you are a man here, please write no wunyem. If you're a woman, write no dim. Let's go. Let's go there. Write it now. No wunyem. If you're a man. If you're a woman here in the house, write no dim. Let's go there. Let's go. Write it now. You can see what I'm saying. Mary has written. Let's see what other people write. Anna, I believe you're a woman. What is your own sentence? Sorry if you are not yet married. There's no problem with that. You know, at least you practice what to say to your husband when you eventually marry. Okay? No, Anna has written. Where are you now? We've not seen your own response. Write your own. Whether you are married or not. Practice it in advance. So, Gomiri, where are you? Write your own welcome message. Okay? Write your own welcome message. While we're waiting for Gomiri, let's do a little bit of marking. Mary wrote no dim. No dim. Anna wrote no dim. Great. Okay. What is wrong in Mary's own? Just what I said. She wrote NN, but it's supposed to be NNOO. Although the two O's should have dot under them. No. They should have dot under them. But Mary wrote only one O. Okay? But Dimi is okay. Hannah got it very perfectly well, even though she should have used capital letter for Dimi, my husband. All right. I didn't see Ugomiri's response. Maybe he's annoyed that women are welcoming their husband. I don't know what's holding him back. Okay? Now, when the man enters the house, what will the man say likely? If the man had children, or you yourself that welcome the man, what is supposed to be the next question you should ask the man? The next question should be, how about work? How about work? So how do we write that in Igbo? I'm not going to say this in Igbo. Let me see the one that can get it right. How about work? How do we write it in Igbo language? Write it for us in the chat. How about work? Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. How about work? You're asking your husband that has just returned from work. Okay. Mary has written, Ke makaologi. Okay, that's great. Anna, what do you say? Ugomiri, reverse it. Write the same thing. Okay. How about work? I hope Ugomiri is still in the class. How about work? How about your work? You are asking your husband that just returned from work or your wife, how about your work today? No, I didn't add today. Don't bother about that. How about your work? Let's write that. Ke maka oroge. Okay. Good. Hannah wrote ka oru sidi. Ka oru sidi. Okay. I love that. Those are options. Or oroge kwano. Okay. Mary, you are going advanced now. I love that. Let's mark the script. Those of you who are in class and you are not responding to questions, you are not doing very well, just try and write something, try to participate. Write nonsense. We're going to make sense out of your nonsense. And don't forget to click and hit the like button, hit the share button for this live session. We appreciate that. And subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Let's look at that. K Makologe. That's fine. Okay, for Mary. But in this case, we don't use one single E for K. It's K double E. not K. Not K, is K double E. K maka ọrụ gị. Okay. Olu or oru, both are acceptable. Some will use ORU, oru, or OLU, oru. But don't forget to put dot under the O and the U. That what makes it perfect. Okay? Don't forget to do that. So, oru also should have dot under I. So, Ugomiri's sentence is very perfect, except that his K should be double E. Okay? K ọrụ si dị, ka ọrụ si dị. Mary Hannah is writing a different version, but you can as well write that way, but you have to add something to it. K ka ọrụ si dị. You have to still add K or kedu. Let me remind you that K is a short form of kedu. So K is not a word on its own, but it's a short form of kedu. That is K, to make it look smooth and look stylish. That when you use K, but it's actually Kedu. So Hannah, you can write K ka ọrụ si dị, and that will be correct. So that is just a for sure. That you got what I'm saying. So Hannah, you can write K ka ọrụ si dị, and that will be correct. But you cannot just write ka ọrụ si dị, Hannah. That will be very wrong. You have not written the complete sentence. So Kedu must be there, or Ole ka ọrụ si dị. Right? Then Mary had another option, ọrụ gị kwanụ, which is also good. Ọrụ gị kwanụ. Okay? Your work also. Your work also. How is it? Ọrụ gị kwanụ. So that's fine. Mary, you are doing well. That's great. Okay? And then the husband says what in response, or the wife? It went well. It went well. Let's write this in Igbo language. It went well. Let's see who can get that right. It went well. Who can get this for us? Write in the chat. It went well. Conversation between husband and wife. It went well. Write the sentence in Igbo language. It went well. Let's go. It went well. Yes, it went well. Anna, you said you're going to write me email concerning your ebook. Maybe the audio is not accessible. You didn't do that. I don't know why. I needed to get, if you can't do me email, send me WhatsApp message. But with your email, you drop your WhatsApp message there, WhatsApp number there. It's better. So I can send you the audio directly, indicate the book you bought in the email, so I can, and then drop your WhatsApp number, so I can send you the audio separately. Talking to Anna now. Anna, did you get me? I don't know how many books you bought. I don't know whether it's one or two, but put the title of the book there in the email and drop your WhatsApp number, so I can forward the audio to you directly. Did you get that, Anna? Talking to Anna now. So, we're talking about the response of the husband or wife that came back from work. And the response is, it went well. It went well. Let's have that written in Igbo language. It went well. Let me get that. Yes, I bought one. Okay. So please do me the email, Anna, to indicate the title of the book and put your WhatsApp number to send the audio to you. That fine? So, but you have to be prepared to buy more than one. One is too small now for a whole you. Anna, how can you buy only one book? Book that we're selling $2 to $3. You cannot buy more than one. Don't tell me that too. Anna, so when you send your email, you're ready to buy more. And any issues, let me know. We'll resolve it. Okay? Let's go. It went well. That is the sentence we're looking at. It went well. Okay? Anna wrote, O nke ọma. Mary wrote, Ọ dị mma. How about Ugomiri? What did you say? It went well. We've not gotten the right sentence. So It went well. Let's go. Write it for me. It went well. I was testing it. I will buy monster. So you test it. That's why we have to resolve the issue you have around the one you bought now. And then I will also guide you. Sometimes when you are downloading the audio, it works better with a Gmail account, Gmail email account. It will ask you which of the accounts you want to use to open the audio. Most times, if you have a Gmail account, please use the Gmail account to open the audio. It works better. But never mind, we will send the audio to you directly if there's any issues with downloading it. Can be rest assured. So don't forget to send me email today. In fact, buy all the ones you want to buy and try opening them. If there's any of them that have similar case, so you can send me email together, list the books you bought, list the one that the audio couldn't open, and let me send them to you once with your WhatsApp number, right, Anna? Is that a deal? Anna, is that a deal? Please confirm that. Ugomiri has not written Ogara and Koama. I don't know whether he's still in the class or not. But okay, it went well. That is actually what I'm answering now because you both did not get the answer. The answer is O. Okay, thank you, Anna. The answer for that, your response, I appreciate. The answer is O gara nkoma. O is it. Gara is went. Nkoma is well, very well. Okay, so it went well is O gara nkoma. Can you repeat what I've said now in the chat? Write it down. O gara nkoma. It went well. Can you write it? Who will write it for us? Ugomiri, I don't know where you are. Okay. O gara nkoma. No nke. Oma. O gara nke. Oma. Oma is one word. Nke is one word. O is one word. Gara is one word. Don't put it together, Mary. So put O to stand alone. Gara to stand alone. O gara nkoma. Okay. Still better. But your nkoma should be separate. Don't put it together. Nke. Oma. Nke. Oma. You can join it with the hyphen as a compound word, but don't put it together. Talking to Hannah now. Okay. Chima Dima had done it perfectly well. Ogara and Koma, Chima Dewo. Welcome to our live class. Chima, is it the first time you are joining our live class? Because your name is not familiar. Is it the first time? Chima. Please confirm that. Ogara and Koma. Okay, Mary has done the correction, and Chima got it very perfectly well too. Ogara and Koma. Ugomiri also. That's fine. That's perfectly well. That to say it went well. Okay. Now the husband now asks you, what? Yeah, Babwa. Okay, second time. Thank you, Shima, for coming back to class. And now let's go. The husband now asks, what did you cook? Or what did you cook? What did you cook? The man is hungry. Remember, he just came back from work. He had to eat. So after he asked him about work, he now wanted to ask, what did you cook? You know, the man is asking his wife. He's very hungry, wants to eat. What did you cook? How do we ask that question in Igbo language? Help me do that. Who gets that? Fine. Let's go. Game on. Who gets that first? What did you cook? Or what do you cook? What did you cook? Okay? Let's go. Game on. Challenge your brain. Challenge your understanding of Igbo language. Learn more. Sharpen your skill. Get better. That's what we do here. You know, every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. Join us and make sure you improve on your Igbo speaking skill. Okay? Okay, Chima wrote, Gene ka isiri. Okay, let's see whether that is correct. Hannah wrote, Kedihe isiri. Great. Okay, any other option? We're going to mark our script now, so drop your own answer. Chima, please, when you join our class, there are a few things you do. Please hit the like button for this live session. Share it out also, even as you are watching and participating. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so. These are basic things you do. All right, and be sure you are writing and following through. Participate, of course, you're already participating very well. So who else is dropping his own or her own here? The question is, what did you cook? What did you cook? Yes. What did you cook? Yes. Waiting. Okay. Any other answer? I got two responses, one from Chima, one from Anna. Any other person contributing to that? Adding to that? Yeah. Where is Ugomiri? Where is Mary? Let's go. Write your own. What did you cook? Write it in Igbo language. Geneka. I cook. Mary, you even laugh at yourself. you wrote your answer, you laugh at yourself. Of course, you know it's not good. Okay, that's good, but that's a good trial. I like that trial. Always push like that. Always try, because it's in trying that you can learn. You know, the beautiful thing about trying is that when you try and fail and the correction is done, it registers in your brain, in your memory, more than you didn't try at all. That mistake you made will always be there, and the correction will always be there as a link, in your memory. So it's always better to write something. So that's fine. Now let me mark. Okay. Chima wrote, Ginika is Siri. Chima, your sentence seems correct, but it's not correct. Let me tell you why. Ginika is Siri is what we asked, but you wrote Ginika is Siri. Your Siri doesn't have dot under the I. It's Siri. Okay? What you wrote is Siri, and that is said. It means something entirely different entirely. It's said. Ginika Siri. What did you say? That's what you wrote. So your eyes must not have dot under them. It's Siri. Let's go to Hannah's own. Kedihe is Siri. Hannah would have been very perfect, except that she joined you together with Siri. That should stand alone. E Siri. So that is the correction for Hannah. Otherwise, Hannah would have been very perfect. Okay? Kedihe is Siri. So you either use gene or kedu or ole. These three words can be used to ask questions. Ihe isi gịnị ka Chima? E is not correct. Is E not dot under it? Because the vowel agreement will not accept that you use I with dot under for E Siri. So E Siri, E Siri. It is I without dot under. So Kedihi Siri. Mary tried to write Gene ka Isiri. That a cook is Isiri. I believe you are correcting yourself now, Mary. Okay, Chima said it's autocorrect. That's okay. Okay, Ugo Mirimara. Is Isirigene, that's another version. Isirigene, that is also correct. What did you cook? Isirigene. Okay, that is also correct. Isirigene. Accept that too as a correct version, a new way of asking the same question. So we got three ways to ask the question now. Gịnị ka isiri? Number one. Kedu ihe isiri? Number two. Isiri gịnị? Number three. Three versions, same sentence, same question, three ways of writing it, and they are all correct. What a beautiful language. Okay, let's go on. Igbo Amaka. If you agree with me, give it a thumbs up. And let's go. And then the wife say, I cooked rice. I cooked. Write that in Igbo language. I cooked rice. Let's go. Matter, eh? Everybody like rice. I cooked rice. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. I cooked rice. Who will give us the answer? Shoot now. I cooked rice. Those of you who have not hit the like button, you are not my friend, though. You are not my friend, though. If you are not hit the like button, you are not my friend, though. It means you don't like what we are doing here, and you are here with us. Why now? Hit the like button now. Share it out. Hit the share button, okay? Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. These are basically anything to do, Okay? Just a sign of solidarity and support and appreciation. That's all. All right. Cooked rice. Let's go. Mary said, Osikapa kamsiri. Mary wrote, Isiri, Osikapa. Okay, but we are talking about you, not another person. So remember, we are talking about you. You are saying I. So maybe you cannot use I in Igbo as I in English. So why are you using I there? I Siri. Mary, I go fight you. What do you want to be I Siri? Is that English or Igbo? Okay. Nana wrote Siri. That is still better. Mary, you can simply say Siri. That would have been better than writing I Siri. Mbano. I think you have passed this stage. Okay? Hannah is better Siri rice, even though she doesn't know the meaning of rice. Now just go to Mary's sentence and borrow rice from there. Join it to your own rice. Remove the English own there and you'll be correct. Mary, borrow M from Anna. Put Siri to your own sentence and you are correct. And then we'll go, Mary, I hope you are all getting it. Cut from here and join the other side and get it corrected. So do your correction now. Those people, Mary and Hannah, do your correction. Mary, remove your I, replace with Anna, borrow M from Anna, Siri. Anna, remove your rice, borrow rice name from Mary, put back in your own sentence and write it again. Let's do that now. Siri, Osikapa, great. Mary has done that. Anna, oh yeah, do your own. Quickly. Don't waste my time. Gomiri wrote, Osikapa kam Siri. That is not actually the best way to write this sentence. It's like saying, rice is what I cooked. That's what Ugomiri wrote. Rice is what I cooked. Which is not wrong after all anyway. But the answer is I cooked rice. It's not rice is what I cooked. I cooked rice. Esiri. That's another way of writing it. Hannah, Osikapa. That's better. I think we are getting it right now. Okay, so you can as well write Esirim. Instead of putting in front, you can put a sirim. Put M after sirim. That is also I cooked. A sirim. Are we getting that? Can somebody write what I'm saying now? A sirim. Osikapa. That is another way of saying I did this, I did that. Agaram. A sirim. Emerem. Okay, the M goes after the verb somehow. Yeah. Esirim, oh yeah, perfect. Gomiri, perfectly done. Esirim, Osikapa, I cooked rice. That's another way of writing the same sentence. Okay, and the husband say, oh yeah, bring it. Now bring it. Now bring food. Now bring it. Now bring it. Let's go. Now bring it. How do we write it? Yeah, Mary, you get it. Get it well. The husband is demanding for the food now. Oh, he's very hungry. Oh. And he said, bring it now. Bring it now. Bring it now. Let's go. Write that in Igbo. Bring the food now. You can also put the food. Bring the food now. Bring the food now. Let's go. Bring the food now. Biko nyerem. Adema. Mary has done. Oh. Anna, where are you? Mary has shot. Oh. Don't let Mary win you. Because both of you, I don't know who is a senior among each other. Ugomiri is a little bit above you people. Where is Chima? Has he gone out? Chima, where are you? I'm not hearing from you again. Okay? The husband is saying, please bring the food. Please bring the food. Mary has written her own. Where is Hannah? Where is Ugomiri? Where is Chima and the rest? Wetaya. Nah, Mary, you sharp. Oh, this one a shortcut. You know how waste your time to write long story. Wetaya, just Wetaya. No long story here. I like your style, Hannah. I like your style. Wetaya. Okay, Ugomiri, what do you say? Please bring it. Please bring it. Please bring it. Ngwanu, let's go. What do you write? Ngwa, weta nri. Okay. Oya, please, quick, bring food. Quickly, bring food. Ngwa, weta nri. Quickly, bring food. Biko nyerem osiso. You also try. But let's do the correction. Mary first rose. Biko nyerem. You don't need to put nyerem. It is just nyem. Nyem, not nyerem. It's just nyem. You can say biko nyem ya, which is please give it to me. Biko nyem ya, please give it to me. Or please give it to me. That is biko nyem ya, not nyerem ya. No, it's just nyem ya. So, okay. Now, Hannah wrote wetaya. Very smart way of saying. Simply bring it. I don't want any story. Bring it. Hannah, you are smart. So that is as simple as that. Bring it. Wetaya. No long story. And then Mary wrote, okay, Mary still wrote again, Biko nyerem osiso. You can just leave it at nyem osiso. That's fine. Biko nyem osiso. Quickly, please quickly give me. That's it. Biko nyem osiso. So not nyerem osiso, it's just nyem osiso. And your osiso is too long. It's just one O, not double O. Not osiso, it's osiso, one O at the end. Gomiri otege ngwa weta nri siri osiso. That is quickly bring the food you have cooked. I say now, that is ngwa. Now, immediately, okay? Bring the food you cook quickly. Weta nri siri osiso. Gomiri has taken it to a new level entirely, which is now bring the food you cook quickly. Ngwa weta nri siri osiso. Yeah, Mary. Mary is asking, how do you write nyem? You have just written it. That is the way you wrote it. Nyem. You can decide to separate the M to stand alone or put it the way you wrote it here. Nyem is accepted. Nyem, give me. Okay, question answered. And the man ate the food. And after eating the food, say, your food is sweet. Your food is delicious. Write that in Igbo language. Your food is delicious. Your food is sweet. Write that in Igbo language. Your food is sweet. Ngwa, let's go. Your food is sweet. The man is complimenting the wife, at least to make her happy for cooking all the labor. Cooking is not easy at all. Your food is sweet. Ngwa, right there na asụsụ Igbo. Dee ya na asụsụ Igbo. Write it in Igbo language. Ọsịsọ ka ị gaa n'ihu. Your food is sweet. Let's go. Gomiri wrote, nri gị tọrọ ezigbo ụtọ. Serious one. Let me hear the ladies. Because it's like Gomiri is writing it like this because now he'll be the man who chop the food. He's the one that ate the food. He has the duty to write it very well. Okay, but ladies can also contribute. Nri kegi audio talk. Good effort. Hannah, oh yeah, oh Mary, don't shoot your own. Oh yeah, oh, don't let Mary defeat you in this game. Your food is delicious. Ngwa, let's go. Anna, waiting for you. Chima, where are you? Your food is delicious. Nri, the magi, or the ma. Like I said earlier, it's always better to try because there is always sense in nonsense. But I know that Anna's nri must be a typo. The way she wrote nri, I know she has written nri before in the course of writing this. Yes, I think so. Let me check. Nsiri osikapa, nsiri rice. Okay, Anna has not written nri before. So I'm not going to take that as a typo. Okay, she's correcting herself. Okay, that's a typo. I agree with you. Nri the magi. I like the way you scatter it everywhere. We are going to rearrange it. It's better to scatter than not to do anything. Hannah, well done. Okay, but let's rearrange and panel beat it. Ugombiri wrote, Nri gị tọrọ ezigbo ụtọ. This is an advanced level of writing it. It means your food is very delicious. It's very otoro, ezigbo ụtọ, very delicious. If you say otoro ụtọ, it's just sweet, delicious, but tọrọ ezigbo ụtọ is a higher level of delicious, being delicious. Tọrọ ezigbo ụtọ. Now let's go to Mary. Nri ke gị ọ dị ụtọ. Mary, you don't even need to put ke again. You can just say nri gị. Okay? And remove o. Just write nri gị dị ụtọ. That your ụtọ is not the way it should be. Borrow ụtọ from Ugomiri's sentence. At the end of the sentence, ụtọ. UTO, double on, dot under U, dot under O. That is ụtọ, sweet or delicious. Okay, not OTO. Anna, nri dị mma gị. Okay, let's rearrange it. Hannah is nri gị. That gị you put at the end of the sentence. Bring it to follow nri, nri gị. That is your food. Dị, that is. Mma is fine. Even though that's not what we said, I would say it's delicious, but we can accept that. So nri gị dị ụtọ. Okay, Mary had done correction. So Anna, do your correction. Nri gị dị mma. That means your food is good. That's what you wrote, not delicious. Your food is good. That's what Anna wrote. But until she rearranged it properly before we accept it. So Anna, do your correction. Rearrange your sentence. Bring the gi you put at the back to follow nri. That is your food. Nri gi. Okay. Nri gi dị mma. Your typo again for nri. You have repeated it, but I know it's a typo. So it's taken. Nri gi dị mma. Okay. That's fine. Now we are approaching the 1 hour mark. Moving on. I don't know how many of you have seen the posts in my community concerning membership. Have you seen that? Has any of you seen that? The community page on membership. Did you see any post on that? The New Year promo for membership. Have you seen that? If you see that, please let me see. Let me hear yes from you. Type yes. Have you seen the New Year promo on membership of the channel? Yes or no? Who has seen that among us? Okay, Gomiri say no. Mary say yes, I did. Okay. Anna, have you seen that? I don't know whether you have seen that. Please let me hear if you have seen that. Mba. Okay, please say Mba. All right. There's a New Year promo on membership. Now, is it advanced classes? Advanced classes? Okay. We'll take it to any level that is needed, depending on what we all want at every point in time. Okay, it depends on what we want at any point in time. We'll take it up to any level we want. So what we do in that promo, in that our membership promo, is that we're going to have membership for, in fact, first level, not any advanced level. We're just the initial level of membership, level 1 for everybody, flat level. But in that membership, we're going to have free class on Saturdays, just like we do now. We're going to have free ebook for everybody, every member, every month, one free ebook. Okay, so you don't need to buy ebooks again. As we publish it, we'll give you your copies every month. Okay, and then you also participate in our free live classes, like what we do every Saturday. Participate. We also make you a member of our WhatsApp learners group, where we can share and ask questions on anything. You can many of them give me assignment that I do for them, whatever you don't understand. You also have a freedom to call me at any time when you're in that group. Send me voice note, call me for any assignment or anything you don't understand. I answer you. So there's a chance for personal one-on-one interaction or question on anything you want or assistance you want at any point in time. You'll get response from me. So basically, we have these 3 things there: membership of that group, free class every Saturday, like we do here, and then free ebook every month, 1 book every month, and then direct access to me for personal, assistance any moment. So that is what we have, and that is just for that first level of membership, no advanced level, just that first level. So it's important that we all, join that membership, because by next year, the meaning of that is that this class will not be free again. It will only be for members of the channel. So if you by January 1, we expect us to join membership, so that we can all be part of that. You don't need to buy book again. We just send you your book. Once we publish it, you get your copies, and then we move on. Then any other thing we need to do, we do. And then you can also bring up suggestions as to what you want us to do. We will do that. Okay? So that's what we have. I don't know if any of you have any questions on that. Any other question? The price, you may ask, what is the price for membership? I actually put it at 3,000 naira. If you are in Nigeria, it's just 3,000 naira per month. So, but I don't know what YouTube used to do. It's like in different countries, they have different prices. They translate it to different things in different countries. I don't know how they do it, because they want to take their own part of the money. But if you are in Nigeria, I put the price at 3,000 naira per month, just a moderate price. So please let me know if that is okay by you, and if you want to be part of that, okay? So, and if you think it's okay, we should do that or not, I don't know. But this is my own idea. What do you think? Do we get class access to the old ebooks? Okay. What we promise is that every month we give you, okay, Mary say, let's assume I'm in Nigeria. We don't assume you are in Nigeria. You have to be in Nigeria, not assuming. So if you are not in Nigeria, I don't know, subscribe from where you are. So you don't assume you are in Nigeria unless you are in Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria, then you are in Nigeria. If you are not, you are not. But you can click the join button and look at level 1 and see what it translates in your own country, what it is there. I don't know. Then Liz Carlo is asking, do we have access to the old ebooks? Of course, what we do is every month we're going to send one ebook to you. But the one we want to send that month, if you got it already, maybe you have already buy it, you can ask for another one. You can ask for another one. So in that case, I have to send you the old ones, because we have about 16 books in our bookshop. I will send you any one you want. You can as well scan our bookshop and make a choice that this is what you want for this month, and it will be given to you. That particular choice you made from the bookshop can be guaranteed it will be given to you. If what we are giving everybody is not what you want, maybe you've already bought it. So you go to the bookshop, scan through, and choose a book. I will send it directly to you as far as you have paid your membership fee for that month. Any other question? Any other question? I believe Liz, is that okay? Liz Carlo, did I answer your question well? Lizzie? Are you okay with my response? Lizzie? Liz Carlo, I'm waiting for you to respond. So, okay, Mary, sound good, sir. That's fine. Okay, so please, let's do this together. For me, I have done the free classes. This one I'm doing today is the 52 classes. 52. That means I've done it for more than 1 year consistently. This is the 52 session of the free live class I'm doing today. I think I've tried now. Or don't you think so? Or you don't want me to also eat? I should be able to eat also now. I've done this is the 52 session of the live class, free live class. Or you think I've not tried? Have I not made enough sacrifice? What do you think? Do you think I'm asking for too much? I don't think. If you think so, let me know. If it's not good for us, you just let me know that it's not good, that you will not subscribe. But if it's good, you have to subscribe, because you are my people. But I think I've tried. I've done today, making 52 free live classes I'm doing. That is not a joke at all. So Okay. Okay. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Lizzie, for your understanding. Thank you, Mary, for your understanding. Thank you, Gomiri, for this. So I hope that by January 1, we should all subscribe. We'll still do this free live session for this month to the end of the month, except when I'm not around, I'll let you know. Otherwise, we'll still continue to the end of this year. Okay, so thank you for your understanding of that. And then let's go. Let's move together. Appreciate. So, thanks you so much. We will subscribe. Thank you, Mary, for that assurance. Appreciate. All right. So now, after eating my food, the man complimented the woman. So, and then the man say another thing to the woman, I love you. I know women would like to hear this one. I love you. How do we say that in Igbo language? I love you. Is it only on Saturday for the free life class? Of course, that will be the same time we are having this class. Is we're going to maintain the same time. Only Saturdays. Okay? But some people are also having private class with me. Private class with me. If you want to go for private class, in addition to this one, it's fine. Many people are doing that with me already. But this is for general members of the community of our channel. We do it Saturday, same time as we're doing it now. Okay, I believe that answers the question of Liz Carlo. Okay, amen. Okay, we'll go take a ritual for amen. Thank you for that prayer. Okay, thank you for that prayer. Oh, Mary, all right, that is I love you. Who else is saying something else? I love you. I love you. The man is telling the wife after eating the food, I love you. Now the food enter anybody well. Oh. The food catch and well. I love you. Anybody saying something different from this? I love you. Write that in Igbo language. I love you. I love you. I love you. Mary has written, only Mary. Only Mary. I love you. The general class does not stop you from having private class if you want. If you want private class, you make requests via email. Send your mail to the igbotutor@gmail.com. Okay, if you want a private session for yourself at any moment, anytime that is convenient for you. Okay, that's for Liz Carlo. Okay, from Ginanya. Okay, Ugomri has written from Ginanya. From Ginanya. Okay. From Ginanya. All right. Any other person? Any other idea? From Ginanya. Some people have not even clicked like for this our live session today. Some of you are in class. You've not done it since you joined this class. You've not hit the like button. Is it fair? It's not fair for your teacher now. Do it now. Okay? Hannah, ahụrụ gị n'anya. Great. Great. Thank you for hitting that like button. Thank you. Those who have not done that, please do it before the end of the class, because we're already rounding up. Ahụrụ gị n'anya. Okay. Any other option? We have two now. Ahụrụ gị n'anya and ahụrụ gị n'anya. We're going to consider the two. What is the difference? What is the similarities between the two? Okay. Ahụrụ gị n'anya and afụrụ gị n'anya. All right, please, thank you. Both are correct, but let me say the difference. If you are in Anambra State, you will use afụrụ gị n'anya. That is their language. They use F in place of H in Igbo almost all the time. Afụrụ gị n'anya. Anambra people will always use that. Okay? But Mary, you don't put n'anya, you don't put N-A, you just put N apostrophe on top, then anya, nanya. Okay? It's not from get na anya. No. Nanya is N, comma on top, then anya. And then Hannah wrote ahorum. Oh, Mary is one that wrote first. Aforo genanya. Oh, Mary. Aforo genanya. Oh, yeah. Is afro. The afro is not correct. It's AFURU. Then you put M, which is U. Ahurum, okay, which is me, I, ahurum, I. Then ki will follow. Then nanya. I've talked about nanya. You don't write na anya na. No, you write n comma on top. Then anya. It's great. Gomiri ahurum gi nanya. I've already corrected nanya. Do that. Hana ahurum gi nanya. Ahurum gi nanya. Okay, Hana, you try. Draw your n close to nanya and put comma on top of it. Right, Mary. Okay, great. Odema. I want to say ahurum unu niile n'anya. I love all of you. Ahurum unu niile n'anya. So I'm not saying that ahurum gị n'anya is wrong. Ahurum gị n'anya is correct, used by Anambra people mainly. But other parts, centrally, we agree that there should be ahurum gị n'anya, A-H-U-R-U. Remember the R-U, the U's there need to have dot under them. Ahurum gị. The U should have dot under the U's. Ahurum gị n'anya. Okay? Not U without dot under. It should have dot under them. So, I now say, ahurum unu niile n'anya, which means I love all of you. Unu niile. Ahurum unu niile n'anya. Ugomiri, and then Liz, who can write that for me? Ahurum unu niile n'anya. I love all of you. Somebody should write that for me. Ahurum unu niile n'anya. Unu niile n'anya. Great. But niile is double I. Niile, not nile. Niile, double I. Talking to Gomri now. Double I. Okay. Okay. I want to ask this question. Okay. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ọzọ. That's the last sentence today. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ọzọ. Actually, it should be izu ụka ọzọ. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ụka ọzọ. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ụka ọzọ. Write that sentence before we decode it. Write it first. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ụka ọzọ. Someone should help us write this sentence. Ugomiri is the one leading the class today as a class captain. In absence of Chikezie McDonald, Ugomiri took over. He stepped in gallantly to leadership of the class. I appreciate that so much. Thank you, Ugomiri. You have played a very nice role today, helping out, guiding everybody all right. That's fine. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ụka ọzọ. Great work. Mary wrote, Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ụka ọzọ. Mary, I like your spirit. Really, really, really. You are always pushing. I love that. That is the spirit. Let's consider the two answers. Liz, are you making an effort to write the sentence? Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ụka ọzọ. Liz Carlo, are you writing? How about my friend, who else is here? Hannah and Liz, are you writing? Onye ga-anọ ebe a izu ụka ọzọ. Now, let's consider that. Onye ga-anọ. You have to put ga-anọ is G-A-A-N-O. Dot under the O. Ga-anọ. Will be. Ga-anọ. So it's G-A, then, okay, G-A-A-N-O. Dot under the O, that is Onye ga-anọ. Eba is not Eba. Gomiri, you wrote Eba. It's not Eba. E-B-A. No, it's E-B-E-A. Ebea. Ebea. E-B-E-A. Ebea. Okay? Ebea. Okay, Hannah, how do you? Am I in? That's fine. Listen to my corrections. I'm correcting it now. So it's not Eba. It's not E-B-A. E-B-E-A. Ebea. Okay? Izuka. Your Izuka is okay, but you have to separate it. Put a hyphen between them. Izu is week, native week. Oka. When you put Oka, it becomes English week. Week by Sundays. Every Sunday, 7 days week is Izuka. So you put I-Z-U dash and connect it with Uka, Izuka, that is 7 days a week. Izu is our native week, 4 days in Igbo language, in Igbo. But if it is English weeks of 7 days, it's Izuka. I hope that is clear, everybody. So that is the sentence. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izuụka ọzọ. Ugommiri, if you get all I say, let me see your correction. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izuụka ọzọ. You tried, but the one thing is missing. Ga-anọ is G-A-A-N-O. That is the only thing you missed. Otherwise, you got all the corrections. Ga-anọ, G-A-A-N-O. That is the only thing you missed. A is missing in ano. Otherwise, you have done perfectly well. What is the meaning of this question? This is a question. The question is, who will be here next week? Who will be here next week? That is the question. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izuụka ọzọ. Who will be here next week? Let's answer the question. I'm not going to answer it. Answer the question. How do you answer it? If you will be here, what do you say? If you will not be here, what do you say? Write your response in the chat. That's the final for today. Write your response in the chat. Who will be here next week? Okay. Remember, this class is always free because some people are always supporting us financially by way of super chat and super stickers and so many other things they do to help us keep our costs, cover our costs and our time. If it's not going to be out of place, if you give us a super sticker or a super chat to use it to give us your final answer as a super chat or a super sticker, give us a flower if you don't mind. It will not be too much. $1, $2, $3, $5 wouldn't actually cost you too much to do, to show appreciation. So drop your stickers, drop your super chat. As we round up the class, we'll appreciate that. Now, use that to answer the last question. Use super sticker, super chat to answer. Onye ga-anọ ebe a izuụka ọzọ. Gomini said, M ga-anọ ebe a izuụka na-abịa abịa. Oh, great. I will be here the week that is coming. Hannah wrote, I will be ebe a izuụka ọzọ. I like that. They call it Ingili Igbo. Ingili Igbo. That is English and Igbo. Hannah, you are too much. Ingili Igbo. I will be here. I will be ebe a izuụka ọzọ. Okay. Now, copy I will be here. Okay. Copy from Ugommiri. Ngano. That is I will be. Take it away from, take I will be away and bring Ngano from Ugommiri sentence. Okay. Bring it from Ugommiri sentence. Ngano. Use it to replace I will be. Your eba is fine. Then Izuka. The way it is written before, Izuka. I-Z-U, separate it with that dash at the middle. Then Ozo is O-Z-O, dot under the O's. Hannah, do your correction now. Mary wrote, ha, 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 I will be here. You don't want to stress your brain to write the answer in Igbo. You are a lazy woman, Mary. You are a lazy woman. Thank you, Gomiri, for your gift. We appreciate. Gomiri has given us £2. This is not a small money in Nigeria today. £2 is no joke at all. Thank you, Gomiri, for your benevolence. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your support and participation in class today. It's a great time being with you. I appreciate. Please, everybody, help me thank Gomiri. You can see he has given us £2. Can you help me to shout out, give him a shout out, give him a thumbs up, and give him a clapping emoji? This is not a joke. £2 is not a joke at all. Okay, so please let's appreciate him for us, for me, and for the whole family. It is for people like them that we're always coming around. You know, they keep supporting, helping us to cover our cost of data and the other things we expend into this thing, time and energy. Of course, you know time is money. You are in US and in UK and everywhere. You know how much 1 hour costs. You know, to work for 1 hour, you know how much they pay you. So for us to stay here for 1 hour teaching, you know, every Saturday, you know, is money. So please appreciate people who have the willingness and the kind heart to give and to support this project and keep us moving on. Okay? Hannah say, I will donate next week. Okay, thank you, appreciate that. Mary, thanks Ugo. Okay, emaila Ugo Chukwu gozie. That is God bless you. Oga Adizu ọzọ ka emesịa. Oh, Liz Carlo say emaila with a very big trophy. Wow, Liz, I like this trophy. Big. Ugo has won a trophy today. All right, see you next Saturday. Keep fit. Jisi ike unu niile ka emesịa Chineke gọzie unu. See you next Saturday. All right.